All right, it's that time of the year again to kick open those doors and clean your house. Here to help us with spring cleaning series with some easy-to-do do-it-yourself project, our friend, home contractor Skip Bedell.
We're back, Steve. We're doing it.
First of all,
I'm ready. So this is OdoBan cleaning product. This is the choice of cleaning professionals. So they make a diluted version. This is the concentrate. You basically put it in your spray bottles. You can disinfect. It kills germs on contact.
I can't hear you with this thing on.
All right. And it kills odors. So this is great. All the cleaning professionals use this stuff. It comes in gallons, which you can mix with water or convenient spray bottles, just like this. Basically, multiple different scents to it. You can see all the different flavors and scents that you have on there.
Just watch your dogs and pets, all right? The whole poison stuff.
No, because this is no harsh chemicals. It's safe to spray on anything. Your fabrics, you can spray it on everything. So this is a hard surface cleaner. You can use it to clean all your hard floors, countertops. This makes 128 gallons of cleaning fluid.
Right.
So you dilute it with water and it cleans all your hard surfaces in the house.
Now, does our whole audience get one of these?
Everybody's going home. Everybody's going home with OdoBan.
Come on, let's
go. You guys gotta get OdoBan.